The future technology of human thinking. Nestfield is taking a step closer to the Industry 4.0 smart factory by leveraging AAS technology. Technology change is the future we are dreaming now. In order to ensure global manufacturing competitiveness, Korea has set up a three-stage smart factory supply and diffusion project and established a strategy aiming at becoming a powerful country of manufacturing innovation. Therefore, Nestfield has implemented an AAS-based data collection and storage system, where AAS is a key technology in Industry 4.0, and developed a standard model and solution of AAS to ensure competitiveness in Korean SMEs easily and quickly. The core challenge of Industry 4.0 is how to digitalize manufacturing processes. Through virtually representing all information and functions of real factory assets, AAS provides a standardized communication interface for information exchange with other assets. The Industry 4.0 is realized by enabling commercial management between all assets and by allowing all required manufacturing components to operate autonomously. Nestfield has applied the AAS solution to Shinwoo Kostek as the first pilot plant. Shinwoo Kostek has developed the world's first 3D in-mold PET molding machine, which is used to produce various PET products. Nestfield has applied an AAS-based data collection and storage solution in a manufacturing plant, where the 3D IML equipment were installed. Equipment are divided by unit process and modeled with AASs, and field data are collected and analyzed in real time. In addition, the AAS was designed to be managed by every process, so that the AAS can be extended to other production processes in the plant. The AAS-based data collection consists of process equipment analysis, field data classification, data model implementation, data conversion, field data tag mapping, and cloud edge application data collection. It collects data from various facilities through edge gateways installed at the manufacturing site and stores and models field data on the cloud server in real time. The developed UI helps data analysis, predictive maintenance, and data restoration in the event of a failure. AAS model data can be freely converted and utilized for multiple applications. AASX Package Browser provides a function to check package files in the cloud based on a web browser. Graph function provides field data storage check functions, and 3D Dashboard provides major production information visualization and pre-warning functions. The AAS-based data collection storage solution makes it easier to see data changes, resulting in higher productivity and manufacturing competitiveness. Nestfield is developing Industry 4.0 related technologies based on international standards, including AAS technology. In the process of developing the solution, Nestfield cooperated with a leading international standard organization, IEC TC65, and German LNI 4.0 group. Based on this cooperation, a joint online forum between Korea and Germany was held in October 2020, and examples of AAS application and related technologies were discussed and exchanged between the two countries. The Verification Committee verifies conformity, validity, and conformity of international standard technologies, and cooperates by performing the role of reviewing the application process and the application results of the pilot plant, as well as the exchange of technologies with German institutions. Nestfield promotes domestic SMEs to transform to smart factories and plans to release developed solutions so that smart factories technologies can be distributed and utilized more quickly. In addition, we are preparing a guideline for applying the solution and training courses for manufacturers. This project is expected to greatly help the productivity improvement and technology advancement of domestic small and medium-sized manufacturing companies. Nestfield, a partner trusted with technology for the world.